How to sign up for T-Mobile. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or Safari. In the search bar, search for T-Mobile sign up. Different sites will be available to you. What you want to do is head over to the very first one, T-Mobile ID. It will land you on this interface. In order to create T-Mobile ID, what you want to do is first of all enter your first name and then enter the last name. Once you are done, enter your active email address and then create a new password for your account. Once you are done filling up all the informations, simply tap on Create T-Mobile ID and then your T-Mobile account will be created successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create your T-Mobile account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us till the end.